Good evening, everybody. This is Courtney coming to you with another video. I just want to tell you before we get started that if you have not subscribed to the channel and you like to make money online, please hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time I come out with another video. And please like, subscribe, and comment on this video. Like, share, and comment on this video to let me know if you liked it. Let me know if these worked for you, because today I'm going to teach you how you're going to make $50 with Prizerebel per day if you're determined. So let's get into the video. So this is Prizerebel. My link will be in the description. Please click the link below, sign up, and we'll get started. So you're at your dashboard. I currently have 447 points. Every 100 points is equal to $1. I have $4.47. I almost have $5. You see here that that's my reward goal for the day. But I'm going to show you how you can make 50. So here's your mailbox. You always want to check your mail every day. They send you surveys. They send you offers. They send you, this is for general contractors in manufacturing industry. This is talent acquisition. You get a Bojangles menu study. They give you $1.20 for doing that. These are things that you want to complete, guys, because you want to get your goal to $50 a day. Your surveys is awesome. I want you to click on your surveys when you log in after you check your mail. And you do your daily surveys. Do as many as they'll let you do until it says no more surveys, sorry. Then you'll go to Samplicious, and you'll do as many 90-cent or $1.10 surveys as you can. Now, you're not going to qualify for all of them, okay? The next one that's really good is Tap Research. You're going to go to Tap Research, and they're going to load your surveys. You're going to do as many of these as you can until there are no more, okay? If you get discouraged while you're doing surveys, you get disqualified for too many, you're like, this is impossible, I can't do this, you can. I want you to go over to the offer walls. I use AdGate. I have been downloading the apps onto my phone. Here it says you link a card with drop, no charges will be made, and you make $2. That's for iPhone. You make $2 right there, guys. You just link a card. You won't have any charges pending, you know. If you like to play games, you sign up and you save, you get $1. You do, you get to level 40 if you like games, they give you $1.12. If you download this, you install, open, and register, and you reach 50 points, you get 72 cents. Guys, this is so easy. So I like AdGate. I do Ascend Media for the videos. I can sign up. I go to the sign up and I do some of these sometimes, depending on what they are. I never spend money. So you can do the free trials if you want to get to your $50 faster. And if you're good at calling after, they'll give you $2.76 here, 73 cents here. Game of Thrones, $2.27. Book sign up, $2.27. eVoice, $1.21. CBS All Access, 23 cents. MetroFax, $1.28. You can make this money, guys. It's the point of, if you want to do it and what your goals are, this is a free way to make money. You need nothing to sign up except your name and email and a password. And if you want your rewards, which we'll get to first in a second. Offertory, I do this. Top coupons. I've been downloading these apps. $3. Rewards after you register, you install, you win 20 battles and fight 3 battles with 2 or 3 tier warships. You get $3 back for that, okay? This one, they say they'll give you $5.25 if you do the things. If you complete cool surveys, they'll give you 10 cents. I always do the one clicks. These are the coupons. You never have to print them actually. You just have to pretend like you do. Personally, I do this wall as well. Depending on what they've got going on, it hasn't really been working. I do Radium Universe or Revenue Universe. Hulu Plus, if you sign up for a trial of Hulu Plus, you get $4.14 back. Guys, Hulu's only $5.99 a month. You only have to pay $2 for your first month. After your month free, and you get $4 back. That is amazing. If you like to read, you get $5.06 for doing this, okay? Try the dollar trial offer. You must receive the books and try the offer. Your points will be received. You'll receive points within 5 minutes. So you get $5 back after spending $1. So if that's something you like to do, go ahead and do this. Point Click Track is another one. If you like to do offers, this is one for you. You can call, find out about insurance. You get $2.50. So let's go to the rewards. So we have the newest gift cards we can go to. They got some Taco Bell, Steam, Choi's gift card, or Chuz, I'm not sure. Shake Shack, Waffle House, Whataburger, Hobby Lobby, and Christmas is coming up, guys. Raising Cane's, Disney. You can go for the $1 to $5 rewards, get some Apple gift cards, Dunkin' Donuts, Target, CVS, Amazon, PayPal, Whopper, Chipotle, Starbucks, a virtual gift card, GameStop. I mean, guys, they have this, okay? For your online games, your G2A, your Karma Coin, your PlayStation, your League of Legends, your Wizard, your Razer Gold, your Roblox, your Xbox. Guys, you can play World of Warcraft. You can play for free. 30 days game time, okay? That's $15 in points. And let me show you this. If you want any gift card, besides PayPal, that's the only one they do not discount, you can get this gift card for $14.55, which means $14.55. So they're discounting it 45 cents for you. So you want to get on this, the levels. You start at bronze, then when you get $10, you go to silver, then gold when you get $45, then platinum when you get $100, and diamond when you get $160. You want to get to gold because you want to be automatically prize processed. If you get some PayPal and you need that money, you get a special bonus at the beginning of every month, and you get a discount on those prizes. So you want to get those up, okay? Now, I want everybody to join my team because if you have questions, you can send me a message and I will help you. That's my ultimate goal, is not to have anybody broke, but let me show you this, okay? So my referral stats are 18 people, okay, total. 18 referrals. I've made $22.40 off my referrals, guys, okay? Now look at this, okay? So my current points are $4.47. I earned 31 today. I earned $1.18 yesterday. I earned $4.02 this month. Points earned this year is $48.45. Lifetime is $410.30. Rewards claim 70. Total referrals is 18. Referral points today is 0. Guys, you see I have people clicking on my links, and that's great, but they don't sign up. They do not sign up. I have 0 signups. I have total 13 people that clicked on my link, but but they didn't sign up. Put the work in, guys. You can do this. Whether or not you sign up, I'm still going to make my money every day. I refuse to be broke. And with this system, you don't have to be broke. Also, the videos. I run my videos when I'm not home or I've got things to do. You can do it as well. You can come down here and do these surveys if you qualify. I would suggest, I already did it today, but there is a coupons.com offer here for 25 cents every day. Make sure you do that offer because it's 25 cents, easy points, and you don't have to really print them. You just have to save them to your computer. So really what I do on here is I jump on and I check my messages. I leave my videos running overnight. I come do surveys. I do some offers. I refer friends. I don't do any of these, but you can enter raffles, lucky numbers contests. I don't. I work up to my goal, and you can set your goal for anything you want. But how you're going to make $50 a day is attack those offers, guys. If you do those offers in these surveys, you can make $50 a day. It depends how determined you are. So make sure you click the link in the description to sign up. You get a 20-cent bonus. If you sign up, get the 20-cent bonus, and then print the coupons, you're already at 45 cents, guys. That may not seem like a lot, but you didn't do anything for those points, so it's good. And then do your surveys, do some offers, watch some videos. If it gets annoying, run some videos and do some other things around the house. You don't have to sit here for hours on end. I get up and down all day, but I am making money with this site. I'll show you some payment proof, my rewards history. It just depends on what I have going on in the day, what money I need. $5 PayPal money, $5 PayPal money, $5 PayPal money, $5 PayPal money, $5 PayPal money. The 29th, I cashed out $10, so two $5 payments. $5, $5, $5, $5, $5. Guys, this system works. I have 5 pages of the total redeemed. Last year I redeemed 291 points, and this year I've already redeemed $45. So this system does work if you need gas money. If Christmas is coming up, guys, we need to jump on this opportunity. It's easy, fast money. And I want you guys to join my team and learn how to make this money for courses and to be bigger and make more money and not to live paycheck to paycheck. Guys, groceries are expensive. Gas is expensive, and you need this extra money. So go ahead, sign up, send me a message if you signed up on my team via YouTube. I'd love to hear from you. Comment below. Tell me if you like this video, if it helped you. I'm doing videos all the time because they do occasionally change this. They change up Prizerebel. So I have to do update videos to keep you guys informed, but let me show you. When you start today, it's free. You need your first name, your last name, your email, and your password. That's it. 10 seconds to sign up. Make money online now. Complete paid online surveys, earn points, and redeem for cash and gift cards. Guys, watch this. If you watch the bottom of my screen, it'll show you people cashing out. All of these PayPal and different gift cards. You can just watch the screen. There's Amazon, there's Walmart, there's PayPal, there's CVS, there's Visa, there's eBay. Another person cashed out $5. It happens all day, every day. And there's hundreds of rewards. It's not a scam. It is real. My link will be down in the description. I hope that you decide to join and earn this money with me, and so that we can save up for Christmas and bigger items and courses and do more stuff online totally free and never live paycheck to paycheck. If you guys like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more videos because they're coming to you shortly. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to hear from you soon.